Hi friends, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, here you have it. This is my latest design. This is my first design for the spring. I decided to do, well, I had my heart set on a little donut truck, but I thought donuts might be a little bit difficult to put in little plastic bags. So what I decided to do is a bagel truck. But I thought this would be wonderful for any little brunch that you're having, or if you have a little get-together for breakfast. A coffee bar. This makes a nice little accent piece. But I am just loving this farmhouse look. And guys, I done this with one sign and a shoebox. So this right here is one of my latest designs from that series that I'm doing. And if you haven't done so already, you might want to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a new design each month, and we're going to have one for just about every holiday. And yes, for that design I used one sign from the Dollar Tree. I did a little bit of touch-up on it. I actually took a razor blade, I cut out this piece right here, and then I gave it 2 coats of white paint. The Dollar Tree also had some stickers like this, and of course I've used those on my little truck for the sunflowers. I actually used 2 packs of these stickers right here, and then I used a shoebox and some bagels. There were 12 bagels in there on wooden sticks that I just wrapped up in some plastic with a little bit of ribbon and added some tissue to it.